Start from the third runner-up. Okay, we'd like to thank you, Mr. Chase Francine Pagtakunan and Mr. Henry Langisat as my co-partners tonight. Okay, third runner-up goes to contestant number 3.
May we request the donor of the consolation prize, Mrs. Judy Armades, to award it to the contestant. In the absence, may we request Barangay Secretary Rosie Awali. May we request Barangay Secretary Rosie P. Awali to award the consolation prize in lieu of Mrs. Judy Armades.
Yeah, the third, I'm sorry, they're correcting me. Okay, so she's the second runner-up there.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we'll have the first and the champion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And for correction, please, she's second runner-up, and now we're ready to announce the first runner-up. Goes to contestant number 4.
Okay.
Number 4.
Congratulations, contestant number 4. May we request our Director General to award the cash prize and the trophy in behalf of Mr. Henry Rondares.
Who's your bet? Okay, maybe hear from you. Who's your bet? Ang bet ko si Mr. Chase and Mr. Henry. And of course, our champion, our Sonata Titwes 2011 is contestant number... Contestant number 1.
May we request Honorable Puno Barangay Onesimo R. de los Santos to award the trophy and the cash prize in behalf of Dr. Remedios Peralta. To the winners, congratulations. And in Barangay Lorenzo, we do not call people losers. May we request the Women's Club President, in behalf of Mr. Chupilo Mabuti, to award the consolation prize to the remaining contestants. Requesting the other 3 contestants to please be on stage.